do it, Josh?
Huh? We need to be done.
Austin, turn around. I'm videotaping you.
Now I'm going to open the other ones. I opened the big one. Now I'm opening the one that is like this. Awesome! No, you can't get it. There's mine. All right, I get it. But I've been a good boy. So, no, none for you. Oh! So, I like it, but I didn't look through all of them yet. But I'm going to. What? Yeah. Oh, a little bear. A little bear for us to put on our Christmas tree. I'm going to put it on our Christmas tree right now. There. Hey, I told you no. No, Abby. But I like them, Grandma. I like them. Okay. Oh. Okay. I just want to go.
Austin, turn around. Let me see you. Cool. So you got some coloring books and magnets.
Oh my God, this cheese.
Yay.
And now this.
Awesome.
And now this.
Wow, that looks cool. You could do that at the kitchen table.
Yeah, I'm going to do them right now.
What do you tell Grandma? Get on the phone.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll let you tell them today you like him too. And that girl's going to be coming over now that she'll be there by Christmas. That's not the color.
Whoa, all this paper. All this paper. Can you please?
No, you need to pick up the phone and tell your grandma thank you and talk to her. You can, those presents
Thank
can wait.
you.
You're so welcome. I love you.
I love you too.
Tell them today you like it. And I love you. I hope you have fun playing with it.
Okay.
Austin, turn around. Austin, turn around. Talk to Uncle Jamie.
Hi, thank you.
Austin, turn around. I can see your butt crack. Turn around.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, let me see it.
Yeah.
There. Come here.
Great, so that's good. You get to play with it in its pretty weather.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Until talking. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Austin, come talk to him, please.